Before the construction crews can begin their jobs, a lot of prep work had to be done. Mainly, we had to clear out the spaces where demolition and remodeling will take place. First, we had a storage container delivered to hold some of the cafeteria and classroom furnishings over the summer. The library stopped checking out books 1 week earlier this year so that it can serve as a temporary warehouse. Next, some offices were relocated. The main office has moved to the lobby of the Fine Arts Center, while extended care is now in the Smith Center lobby. The science lab and makerspace have been packed away so that work can be done in those rooms. But no worries, science lab classes go on as usual in room 16. Chef Jim, with a little help from friends, got the cafeteria packed away.
You never know how much stuff you have until you have to move it all.
For the rest of the school year and through the summer, lunch will be served from the Shark Bites Cafe, located in the Smith Center. Finally, a fence went up around the big playground, as this will be used as a staging area for construction equipment and supplies. Stay tuned! We are looking forward to some exciting things happening over the summer here at Jacksonville Country Day School.